Hey everybody, Dr. Misick here. You know, all month we've been talking about cold and flu season and how to keep ourselves healthy and keep our immune systems working at their top level. Things like personal hygiene, making sure that you're washing your hands frequently, using the hand sanitizer wipes at the grocery stores and the grocery carts, and just making sure that everything is disinfected, especially on surfaces and on doorknobs and handles. As well as taking a good high potency multivitamin, as well as a probiotic, and even supplementing ourselves during this cold and flu season, particularly in these winter months, with extra vitamin D3. So those are great things to get started on keeping our immune system healthy, but there's one thing that most people don't realize that they can do to keep their immune system working at high optimal levels, and that's getting a periodic chiropractic adjustment. You know, we find as chiropractors, as our spine becomes out of alignment, that disrupts the communication network between the brain and the organs and tissues of the body, resulting in fatigue and lowering our immune response. You know, being in practice for so many years, I've had patients come in when they're feeling down, feeling a little bit run down, noticing that they're getting some cold and flu symptoms, and they maybe get an extra adjustment or two during that time, and they always comment to me on how fast they felt that they've recovered after receiving their chiropractic care. They've even told me that while they're staying healthy in their office, many people, their coworkers, are getting sick. And you know, that secret weapon in their arsenal is getting that regular chiropractic adjustment. Now we know that recent scientific developments now lend that support to the chiropractic correction of spinal misalignments can aid the immune response of the body by reducing nerve interference. As a matter of fact, there was a study done by a Dr. Ronald Piro, who was chief of cancer prevention at New York Preventive Medical Institute, and he found that people that underwent regular chiropractic adjustments had between a 200 and 400% improvement in their immune response than those not receiving chiropractic care. That's just absolutely amazing. That's something that we talk about here at Heritage Chiropractic, but also we want to make sure that you're keeping your spine healthy and under chiropractic care, and we know that's one of the best ways of keeping your immune system functioning at its optimal level. So, you know, don't just limit chiropractic care to just aches and pains. Make chiropractic care part of you and your family's plan to stay healthy. So until next time, good health to you.